Well, this morning we are joined by Mark Wilson with Tri-State Restorations. It's wonderful to have you here.
Thank you.
A local company, and we love highlighting local companies here on Good Morning Washington. So tell us a little bit about what your company does.
What we do is we service the D.C. area, Maryland, Virginia, D.C., for disaster recovery. So floods, fires, mold, sewage, and even biohazard cleanup.
When these things happen in people's homes, and we know there's people watching right now that may be going through it as we speak, this kind of disrupts your whole house. This is not an easy thing to do. You got to call the insurance company. You guys really help people through that process. Talk about that.
Well, we've been doing it for nearly 30 years, and it's something we're passionate about, really acting quickly. So when somebody has a disaster in their home or business, they're panicking, they're frantic, they want to know what to do. And so we want to be the first ones there on site to start the cleanup process.
Yeah, when some of these things happen in homes, and we've had it happen before too, where it's like, it seems like the end of the world, it's never going to get back to normal.
Yes.
How do you help people through the process and keep them up to date?
That's a good question. So we have internal processes, AI software, different things. So from the beginning, we're sending people kind of a pro assist where they're able to go on, send us pictures, let us know what's going on so we can help them most effectively with the right equipment to bring the right team, manpower, and then we help them through the claim process. So if they're filing a claim or they're just a self-pay kind of situation, we're kind of guiding them on all the steps, and we're keeping them, abreast of everything all the way throughout.
Respect for the person's home is your number one priority.
Absolutely.
Every time you go into a home.
Turning disaster into peace of mind is our tagline, and yes, that's what we're aiming to do.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about keeping that respect for the home through the whole process and the client.
Well, down to like the minutia, just even like laying out tarping, laying out plastic, protecting goods, protecting the house. If there's animals, elderly folks in the house, a lot of these disasters affect immune compromised people, especially with mold and sewage. They have to be dealt with in a certain way, and we take pride in the care that we put into that.
Over 3 decades of serving this area
Yes.
and this region, you guys are the experts. Why should people call Tri-State Restorations today?
I think we have a unique value add. We work directly for the customer. We want to make sure most of us have experienced flooding or something personally, and we want to be treated with care and respect and our home put back together. If it's a biohazard environmental issue, you want to make sure you're setting up the right equipment and containing areas so the contaminants don't spread and people get sick. So that's really important to us.
You've been doing this for over 3 decades. Why do you keep doing it? What do you love most about your job?
Well, I've been doing this ever since when I got out of high school. I started a carpet cleaning business, so I've been in various businesses for a teenager on, and I love helping people. Me and my wife started this company, Tri-State Restorations, in 2007, and we're very proud of what we've done in the community and giving back in various ways and helping people.
The next time you have flooding, mold, or burst pipes, call Tri-State Restorations. We'll put all the information up on the screen right now. Mark, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.